going to tell about story The Tortoise. The first story in a sunny mountain nestled between rolling hill and colorful field with flowers. A group of animal friends gathered each day to play and chat. Among them was a sprig, a hare named Harlotte, and a steady tortoise named Timothy. Though they were very different in natural, their friendship was a beautiful example of the bonds that can from between unlucky companions. Harlotte, the hare, which now throughout the mountain for his lightning fast feet, and the boundless energy. He loved to dart and dash, leaping over rocks and sprinting through the grass with the wind in his fur. His agility was a marvel to behold, and he often boasted about his swiftness to animals who would listen. On the other hand, Timothy the tortoise was a deliberate and methodical. He moved at a slow and steady pace, taking the time to savor the sight and sounds of the mountain. His protected him from harm, and his calm demeanor was an inspiration to his friends. On one bright morning, as the mountain buzzed with exclamations, a lively discussion arose among the animals. Harlotte, brimming with confidence, declared that that no one could ever outrun him. He playfully challenged anyone who dared to try. Timothy Avery, West Tortoise, speak up. Harlotte. He said with a smile. Perfect speed isn't the only measure of greatness. There is value in passion and and persistence as well. Harlotte could help but chuckling. Oh, Timothy, he doesn't. You're welcome to trust me anytime you want, but don't be surprised when you see nothing but a cloud of dozen ahead you. The animals called reasons the idea for a race between the swift hare and the steady tortoise. They market Petrog and the mountain and world spirit like Wilfry. The rest was set Harlotte against Timothy, speed against Patents, as the sun rose high in the sky. The animal gathered at the starting line, exclaimed Violet. The air has Harlotte and Timothy stood side by side, ready to embark on their legendary race. With a colorful signal, the race began. Harlotte shot forward like a roan, his powerful legs propelling him across the mountain in a blur of motion. The animal shouted and marveled at his incredible speed. But as Harlotte wrestled ahead, Timothy pulled forward at his own deliberate pace. He, his leg moved steadily, carrying him forward step by step. The crown was with bated breath, their eyes shifting between the two competitors as the mountain surged out before them. The tortoise and the hare continue on their pants. And moves across the sky, casting its warm glow over landscape. The animal cheers, turn it into murmurs of amazement as the race neared its end. Something unexpected happened. Harlotte, in eagerness to reach to the finish line, began to try. His breath came in heavy pants, and his legs started to feel like lead. He had underestimated the distance, and his confidence speed was warning. Meanwhile, Timothy remained steady and resolute. His slow and measured pace had carried him steady forward, and now he found himself closing the gap between him and the were here. In the final stretch, as the finish line comes into view, the animals watch in astonishment as Timothy the tortoise overtook Harold the hare. With each determined step, Timothy moved closer to victory. And so it was Timothy the tortoise who crossed the finish line first, gathered by the cheers and applause of the fellow animals. Harlot described his witness had been outpaced by the tortoise unwavering determination. The mountain erupts in celebration as the animal gathered around Timothy, congratulating him on his triumph. Harlot described his initial bravado. Now, looked upon Timothy with newfound respect. In the end, the tale of the tortoise and the hare become a stirred lesson for all. It reminded the animals that while speed and agility have their merit, passion, determination, and a steady heart can lead to victory that are just as sweet.